How to change WhatsApp calls ringtone. Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to be explaining to you how you can change your WhatsApp ringtone. To change your WhatsApp ringtone, firstly open WhatsApp on your device. Now in your search bar, you will need to go to your settings. To do that, tap on the settings option from the bottom panel. Now you will see the settings interface. Here you will see the option Notifications. Click on it. Inside Notifications, click on the option Sound. Here you will see the current ringtone that you have set. To add or select a new ringtone, simply click on the ringtone that you would like to set. After selecting the ringtone, make sure to save the changes. To save your changes, tap on the Done option at the top right corner. This way you will be able to set ringtone on your WhatsApp. So that is it for this video. I will see you in the next one. Thank you.